سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Ear Anatomy Part 4 Middle Ear. We will discuss in this chapter middle ear anatomy, dimensions, boundaries, and another video will be about contents and applied anatomy. Middle ear is like a room with 6 boundaries or borders: roof, floor, anterior, posterior, medial, lateral. So we can consider middle ear as a room with 6 walls: lateral wall, medial, posterior, anterior, roof, floor. Lateral, medial, roof, upper, floor, lower, anterior, which is non-colored, posterior, which is blue. This is the 6 borders of the middle ear. Here is the middle ear cavity, and this is the ostican tube. This is middle ear, which is air-filled space. We can divide it into 3 divisions: epitympanum, mesotympanum, hypotympanum. Above the level of the malleolar fold to above, it is called epitympanum. This is the epitympanum. Below the malleolar fold till the pars end of the pars tensa, it is mesotympanum. This is the mesotympanum. Below it, below the level of tympanic membrane, it is called hypotympanum. So this is the divisions. Dimensions: the vertical dimension is 15 millimeter, anteroposterior 15 millimeter. It is constant. The from medial to lateral, it is different. Upper part 6 millimeter, middle part 2 millimeter, lower part 4 millimeter. As we will see in the picture, to clarify this, there is 3 dimensions of the middle ear: vertical, anteroposterior, medial to lateral. This is a picture of the middle ear to see the dimensions. Above and middle 2 millimeter, above 6 millimeter, and the most lower part is 4 millimeter. The vertical is 15 millimeter. Sorry, 15 millimeter. To summarize this is the middle ear cavity. Vertical 15 millimeter, anteroposterior 15 millimeter, and the medial to lateral or lateral to medial from above 6 millimeter here, and at the level of promontory 2, and below 4 millimeter. The narrowest part is the level of promontory between tympanic membrane and promontory, about 2 millimeter. The lateral wall of the middle ear is the tympanic membrane. So the tympanic membrane is the door of the middle ear cavity. The roof is the upper border called tegment tympani, separates the middle ear from middle cranial fossa. The floor or lower part, also called fundus tympani, is jugular pulp of the internal jugular vein. Anterior border, which is uncolored, from upper to lower, from above to below, is the first from above, tensor tympani, first here, and below it, eustachian tube orifice here, and below it chorda tympani and carotid canal, at which the internal carotid artery path. This is the anterior border or boundary of the middle ear. Tensor tympani, Eustachian tube, carotid canal, and chorda tympani nerve. The posterior wall. From above, adductus ad antrum, small opening to the mastoid ear cells, pyramid eminence, at which stapedial muscle, and vertical part of facial nerve. Medial wall from above, lateral semicircular canal, horizontal part of facial nerve, oval window, promontory, sinus tympani, and round window. It is the medial wall. Okay, to summarize, the lateral wall is the tympanic membrane, anterior wall, tensor tympani, muscle, Eustachian tube orifice, carotid canal, chorda tympani also. The roof, tegmen tympani, floor, the jugular bulb, posterior, adductus ad antrum, pyramid eminence, and facial nerve. The medial wall is prominence of lateral semicircular canal, facial nerve, oval window, promontory, sinus tympani, and round window. There are also some as laser petrosal nerve. Thank you.